Year 2014 award. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I now like to humbly invite our honorable chief guest to please deliver the keynote address. Can we have a huge round of applause? Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our honorable chief guest.
Sri Anurag Vatra, Chairman and Editor of Editor-in-Chief, Exchange for Media, Sri Raj Naik, CEO Colors, Sri Naval Ahuja, the stars of today's evening, Sri Uday Shankar and Sri Subhash Chandraji, G Group, ladies and gentlemen. I am indeed delighted to associate myself with this gathering of India's who's who in the media, advertising, and entertainment industry, and present the Impact Person of the Year and Impact Person of the Decade awards. I congratulate Sri Puneet Goenka of G Entertainment Enterprise Limited and Sri Uday Shankar of Star India for being selected for the prestigious honors. Sri Goenka has not only risen through the ranks to head G, but has expanded its global footprint by offering an amazing variety of content through its channels. Sri Uday Shankar's journey from being a journalist to head a large media organization has been spectacular. His agenda of driving a social change through programs like Satyameva Jayate has had a huge impact. Shankar also deserves the credit of changing the way sports is viewed in our country. In a country where cricket is a religion, he has brought to the fore games like hockey and kabaddi and demonstrated how these games could also be popularized in the changing world. While expressing my appreciation for their work, I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the nominees of the Impact Person of the Year awards this year for their impressive achievements in the media and advertisement world. Ladies and gentlemen, India's media and entertainment industry registered a growth of 11.8% in the year 2013 over the previous year and touched rupees 918 billion as per the report by FICCI and KPMG. It has been projected that the industry will grow at 14.2% to more than rupees 1.78 trillion in the next 4 years. The various segments of the Indian media and entertainment industry, such as film, television, advertising, print media, music, and digital, among others, witnessed tremendous growth in the last few years. Importantly, the industry has touched the lives of all citizens and all sections of society. As a man from politics, I have watched the great admiration and sometimes with trepidation the role of media in the making and in some cases breaking of political icons. You love it or you hate it, but you cannot ignore the media in today's world. Thanks to the ever-growing power and influence of media, Indian democracy received worldwide admiration for its vitality and dynamism from across the world. Today, I would especially single out and applaud three media gurus: Sam Balsara of Medicine World, Piyush Pandey, and Prasoon Joshi, who have been the drivers of our country's most recent political campaign that was highly successful from the strategic advertising and media viewpoint. These gentlemen have the power and potential to create benchmarks in the world. The Indian advertising agency industry has evolved from being a small-scale business to a full-fledged industry. In a short period, it has carved a niche for itself and placed itself on the global map. Advertising carries with it a lot of responsibility to safeguard our ethics, live to motto, live up to the motto of delivering the truer brand information to citizens and ensure that there is respect for women and the culture of our nation. The industry must safeguard the consumers from misleading the advertisements and keep them informed about the choices in the marketplace. I have a special word of praise here for the Exchange for Media Group for instituting the Impact Person of the Year and Impact Person of Decade award that are now a standard for recognition in the media and advertising industry. To sum up, I wish to say that I see a bright future for the Indian media and advertising industry. I want to see the Indian industry becoming a global leader in years to come. You have all my best wishes in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.